Bring the Fire project is a group of circus jugglers that makes use of fire to create choreographies and perform across Merseyside and the UK. Every month, at the end of a 4-week workshop, teachers and students gather in Sefton Park to enjoy a chilly but lit evening.
Sefton Park is lovely, we've been doing fire sessions, which are a gathering of the fire community in Liverpool, here on that stage through the summer, and sometimes there was 500 people, families, kids sitting together and just chilling, watching fire.
The feeling is like the adrenaline. It's like play with an element when it's actually one of the ancient elements. We're actually going to perform many times in Liverpool. We done Level of Life show, Bonfire Night, Halloween parade, and Brazilian parade, many kinds.
Bring the Fire actively looks for people to join them in performances. Their next show will be in Wales for the Winterlight Festival.